We just got back from AWE 2025, and what a phenomenal show they had put on. This year had over 5,000 total attendees in a wide variety of industries, ranging from manufacturing to retail, rail, oil and gas, etc. We're grateful to our partners over at PICO, who graciously hosted us in their booth. This year at AWE, there was a specific focus on hardware offerings, which is why we were there to showcase our Pit Trainer XR, a virtual reality forklift simulator. The Pit Trainer XR is focused around stand-up order selectors or cherry pickers and allows those users to feel haptic feedback not only in the controls, but also in the platform underneath their feet to give the learner or the user the feel and actual muscle memory of driving one of these forklifts. And what makes that solution so unique is the fact that we utilized a 3D printer to recreate actual control mechanisms such as the tiller, a multifunction control to allow the user to move the vehicle forward and reverse, while also lifting the forks vertically and dropping them to the ground to pick up pallets. It was great to get out there and allow folks to get hands-on with our product. One of the main takeaways from the event this year was that the XR community is alive and well. I wanted to make note that a lot of folks out there only saw it as a use for the entertainment space for the end user or the consumer. It is also a very powerful tool in the enterprise space. It's a great training tool for folks to be able to build muscle memory and learn their job roles and functions. But on the same note, there's definitely still room for growth, as 360 video was a key focus and quite impressive to a lot of folks that are out there. In the XR space, there's so many different technologies we can leverage, such as augmented reality, full 6 degrees of freedom, CGI environments, and it's just really encouraging to see the potential growth that's out there.